how to move sections in Elementor. So I've just logged into my Elementor account here, and I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, and I've actually imported 2 images, so I show you that this actually works and to explain how this works. So here we have 2 images like I just said. Now those 2 are imported in different sections. As you can see, once I hover over them, they appear as different sections. Now if we want to move these sections, what we're going to do is we're going to hover over the section that we want to move. So for example, this one, hover over the 6 dots here, right click, and then we'll select structure. Now here you will be able to see that, like I said, they are 2 different containers with different images. And if we want to move either of those, we'll just drag and readjust their position. Now, as you can see, I've imported this, or I've made this go over my previous image. And of course, I can make it go below it as well. So that's how you do it. Another thing that you can do is actually press Ctrl+I or Command+I on your keyboard, and again it will take us to the structure here, and we can just move the different sections on our website and readjust them. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.